Always right.
Or is Mike? Okay. Hi everybody, good afternoon. My name is Ridzuan. Okay, we come from Malaysia, neighbor to Singapore, if you don't know where Malaysia is. And we are we have about 32 million population, and it's a mix of Malay, Chinese, Indian, and other races. It's very, very diverse country. And we as a FinTech Association, we are a national platform where we try to connect, catalyze and collaborate all the financial technology players in Malaysia. The unique thing about Malaysia is we have two types of economy, conventional economy as well as the Islamic economy. And Malaysia is actually the number one country in the world for Islamic finance as well as for ethical finance. So this is our committee for 2018-2019, and our ecosystem provide a lot of things in terms of access to policy development, in terms of funding, in terms of talent, in terms of the environment that will be created, as well as in terms of the go-to-market strategy that any interested fintech technology wants to explore in Malaysia. And this is what I meant in terms of the core pillars of what we're looking at. And now the government, as you know, in Malaysia have changed. We have a new government this year from May 2018 after having the same government for the last 60 years. And now there's a new kind of mindset in Malaysia about how financial technology could be explored and enhanced. So what we have, as I said, is a highly urbanized country with a high rate of penetration in terms of online banking, smartphone bank population, as well as debit and credit card ownership. So quite a high rate in terms of knowledge as far as financial matters is concerned. And this is the fintech demographic about technology that is being used and now being deployed in Malaysia. And as you can see, there's a lot of opportunities on Islamic fintech, because if you're interested to know about that, do reach out to me, because we can explain to you about how it could be one of the new dimension or new aspect that could enhance your business and development in ASEAN and APAC especially. So we have two types of regulators. We have the Securities Commission as well as the Central Bank of Malaysia. If you attended this morning international conference, you know that we also have a regulatory sandbox. We started regulatory sandbox in 2017. If you want to know about how sandbox works, come to me and I'll explain to you how it works. Okay, and this is the approach taken by the regulators in Malaysia in terms of sandbox, guided approach and internal steer. Yep. And these are the key fintech themes that Malaysia is focusing on. And as I said, this is applicable for both conventional economy as well as the ethical and Islamic economies. Yep. And these are the technology focus that we are focusing on in Malaysia. And currently, our government is embarking on a digital 4.0 economy. So this is among the 9 technology that we are focusing on. So as you know, wherever we go, either in Taiwan or Malaysia, this is the problem. A lot of things is not about technology, it's about the mindset. So that's why we are exploring the world and going around and telling people that please change your mindset, especially the regulators, because without change of mindset, technology cannot be deployed. Yeah, and these are the opportunities if you change your mindset and use fintech, because there's a lot of things that you can do. And one of the things that we have developed in Malaysia is what we call interoperable credit transfer framework, where e-wallets and bank can exist on one platform. We have about 47 e-wallet licenses in Malaysia. We have quite a lot of number of banks in Malaysia, and this is where credit that is issued by the bank and wallets that's issued by the e-money providers could exist and interact on one platform. Something similar to what just now PSD2 in Europe is being developed. So we are already developing one in Malaysia. And this is how it look like. And if you want to know further about how we do things in Malaysia, especially knowing about our sandbox as well as about the Islamic economy, do contact me and you can approach me after this. Thank you very much for your attention.
Thank you, Mr. Ridzuan. And next up, I would like to welcome